Hello everyone, nice to meet you. I'm Yanan from Sungrow. On June 11th, 2024, Global Renewable Energy Summit hosted by Sungrow is in full swing. Leading renewable energy companies from all over the world get here to discuss the industry trends and tech innovations. Now follow me into the event venue and get closer connections with our guests.
So once again, thanks a lot for Sungrow and very nicely and excellently done the complete program. It's been a wonderful day. We had yesterday evening, today, and then probably the tomorrow morning again.
Yes, I would like to say thank you for hosting us, Sungrow. It's been a real treasure. I can't wait to spend the night with everybody, and hopefully can come back next year.
今日初めてサングローさんに来まして工場を見ましたけどやっぱり資料とか映像で見てるよりもやっぱりとても大きくてやっぱりこのスケールの大きさはやっぱりグローバル企業ならではかなと思いましてもっと我々今日見たことは日本の太陽光業界関係者にも伝えたいなと思いました。とても刺激的でこれからもっと日本でも大きくなることは確実かなと実感したところです。
Well, actually, we really appreciated this morning the visit of the factory. It was really interesting to see the quality of the equipment.
I was really impressed about the automation of the factory. From the start to end, everything is automated and very high quality process. Few people and very impressed about all.
Yeah, the insights that I really picked off from the keynote speakers and the guests, and one, I mean, what a group of professionals that Sungrow assembled, the best and the brightest in the nation, possibly in the world. So I think we all gleaned where the future's going, and although we're not on the speed where we may want to be with net zero, we're certainly on the right path. And you can see that China and Sungrow is really leading the way.
Yeah, so I think the global renewable energy market is at a really interesting time. I think that, for example, in solar and energy storage, there are some unique circumstances where we're seeing prices falling very quickly, but also we're seeing some challenges. So we're seeing things like grid constraints, markets trying to develop new planning requirements, other markets where there's like new requirements for localization. And then also I think that, we heard it today that the renewables industry is expanding, not just solar, not just wind, but increasing amounts of energy storage and even green hydrogen in the future.
I think the simplest way to put the big challenge for the renewable energy industry is the sheer quantity of renewable energy that needs to be deployed. And as a result, the industry needs to focus on developing solutions that can be deployed at scale, rapidly and efficiently in order to meet the targets and the obligations of the industry.
So for Sungrow, I think at the moment it's a very exciting time. I think that you're expanding your product portfolio, and I think that you're expanding into new markets, and also even what I saw today is that you're moving into like the hydrogen and electrolyzer industry, which I think is going to be very, very exciting.
I think is one of the most promising and happening company in the renewable industry. There are few great signs of a great company, like it's not a subject of only inverters producer, but taking the industry, taking the community, taking society together, on the sustainability, I think is the biggest achievement what we see and what we witness with Sungrow.
As you can see, I've had an amazing experience, so the only expectation I would have is that this continues and that it becomes another surprise. So same as you're growing as a business, that you will also not just meet the expectations of companies like ours, but exceed it.